Ethereum looking to test key areas of support in the coming hours. Bitcoin looking to maybe break out of an ascending triangle and push up towards $40,000 again. Guys, welcome to the House of Crypto. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment and subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest news happening in the markets. Well, make sure that you stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to be giving you price predictions for both Bitcoin and Ethereum as I see it playing out. So quick video for you today, guys. I just wanted to jump into the Ethereum charts. You've seen we've been seeing a big move in the crypto market today, particularly from Dogecoin. Guys, if you got into Dogecoin and it's gone up 700%, congratulations. Probably pretty happy with yourself right now. Make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know if you got into Dogecoin. But we're not going to talk about Doge today. Ethereum, as we've seen, we've been tracking this pink rising wedge pattern. As you can see, in the last, since about 15 minutes ago, we've made a new 4-hour candle. We've dipped below, but however, we've been swiftly pulling back up to the upside, as we see this candle rising up again. If we can see Ethereum hold this pink line, then I can see it pushing all the way back up to this green line, which is part of our ascending triangle. And if we can see it break this ascending triangle, then we're going to be looking to push up into this pink area and really establish a new proper all-time high. Okay, we broke this all-time high here, guys, but we still haven't really pushed through solidly. We came up and wicked above the all-time high, but we're still yet to break the all-time high. If we go and break that all-time high, remember what happened to Bitcoin last month, we're going to be potentially looking towards $2,800, $3,000 Ethereum in the coming weeks. If you think that's going to happen, make sure you leave a comment down below. Jumping over to the Bitcoin chart, obviously Ethereum follows Bitcoin, okay, to an extent. When Bitcoin is flying, we see Ethereum often fly as well. More recent weeks, Ethereum has been doing really well against Bitcoin, but we'll look at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart shortly. Now, in the last 15 minutes or so, where we've created this new red candle, we've seen this big ascending triangle pattern, which is particularly bullish pattern. We've seen Bitcoin come up and test this green line once more, however, to be swiftly pushed back to the downside. Now, we saw a big deal of volume here, these green bars of volume showing great buying pressure, pushing us all the way to here. However, we start to see a little bit of red creep in, and that's pushed us back to the downside. If Bitcoin can hold above this white line here, then I will see it probably push back to this green line for another retest. And if we break this green line, guys, and break specifically above around the 34,800 mark, which I'll tell you for a reason in a minute, then we're going to be looking to long this trade. So why is that such a significant point for us? As you can see, guys, over the last few weeks, few days, we've been developing this big old W pattern, which is a really strong buy signal for us. However, we are still yet to get out of that. Okay, so where we need to come, we need to come up a little bit further to around this area here, which is 3,492 approximately. If we break there, guys, and we close above that, somewhere around this area, then we're going to look to take the following trade. So we dip down, quite hard to see the wick, so the wick comes all the way down to here, and then we'd see we would potentially be shooting up to around 40,167. Why is that significant? We come back, and as you can see, that's in line, literally in line with this previous area of resistance here. Now, another pattern we can look at is this big green ascending triangle, and the way that usually works is we take it from here and we come down to here, and hey guys, you know, if we are to break and confirm a breakout, then that's looking at what, 46,000, can't quite see, 46,318. Now, that's obviously not going to happen overnight, although, you know, in the past things like that have happened. But let's pay attention first of all to what is happening in this key area. Okay, between this white bar, between this green line, is where I see the area. So currently I'm sat on the sidelines waiting to see what to do next. Okay, if we break this white line, then I'm going to watch it come down, and potentially if we break out of this pink triangle, then we're going to see a big dip to the downside. However, I'll bring you up to date with that if we follow down with that pattern. However, let's see if we can break this area, green line here. What I would look to do and where I would look to make a trade, I would wait for it to break out. I would then wait for it to come back and retest, either retest this white line, come back, potentially retest the green line, and then push to the upside. Okay, and then I would be looking to take the W target as my first as one of my take profits. However, I would look to take profits first of all in this first line of resistance, which is where we would be here, which is around $37,000, currently sat at 32,800. So yeah, nice $5,000 increase, right, guys? So tell me what you think. Do you think Bitcoin's going to break to the upside or the downside? What are you looking at in terms of your trades? But yeah, sat on the sidelines waiting to see this unfold. Could unfold in the next few hours. Could be a bit longer. Who knows? But we, as you can see, guys, we're really running out of room in this triangle pattern. So something must happen soon. So it's kind of an exciting time for us as traders. Jumping just quickly over to the Ethereum Bitcoin dominance chart we've been tracking all week. We've broken, or we broke, past tense, above this significant line of support. As we talked about in the last few days, we held above it for a few days, and guys, we've taken a big dip below it now. Now, that is showing in that the Bitcoin price is well up, and the Ethereum price, or sorry, Bitcoin price is much higher than it was a few days ago, whereas Ethereum has taken a big dip against it. Now, whether that continues to play out, or whether we see it then push back to the upside, this is key to see for us as Ethereum holders. So you can see we've got this line here of potential resistance, potential support, previously resistance as we flipped it. If this can bounce off of here, then we're going to look to push more to the upside, and Ethereum is still the better hold for us. However, if this dips further, then I might start looking at bringing some of my Ethereum holdings over into Bitcoin and see how that plays out. But I'll keep you updated as we go. Guys, hope that's been useful. Just quickly, if you're not already subscribed on the YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date, predominantly with Ethereum, but also Bitcoin in the coming weeks. And over on Twitter, relatively new. I haven't really been that into Twitter previously. However, I've been getting so much value from Twitter. Well, I'm just looking at Dogecoin in the last 5 minutes and now up 833%. Be careful, guys. Don't go and dump a load of cash into Doge. When things go up that hard, they must kind of sometimes come down that hard. I'm not going to give any advice about Doge because I don't know a huge amount about the product. Might well go away and find out more and potentially bring you a channel, bring you an episode on Doge. Let me know if you want an episode on Doge. Make sure you comment down below and I'll see what I can do. Twitter's great for giving you the latest news in crypto, guys. If you're following particularly for the altcoins, there's a lot of news out there on Ethereum and Bitcoin, but once you get into the chain links, the Zilicas, polka dots, etc., there's a lot more news available. And by following these, people tend to update their Twitter quite quickly and quite easily. Videos take a bit longer to produce and therefore perhaps can lag behind it a little bit. Okay, but yeah, guys, make sure you're over on Twitter. I'll leave a link down below for where to follow me, and hope that's been useful, guys. Thanks very much. Oh, and quickly, just before I leave, I've been talking about an Ethereum giveaway, which I'm going to be doing at the end of today in my next video, which I'll make this evening. Hopefully by then we'll be seeing a bit further development in the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts, and I'll bring more news for you then. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment to be in with a chance of winning an Ethereum giveaway at the end of the day. Guys, thank you very much. Take care, and I will see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.